Welcome to my channel. Flight Assistance. Qantas A380 faces fresh issues again. Qantas newly returned Airbus A380 faced trouble when a wing leading edge slat was damaged mid-flight, forcing grounding for repairs after landing in Los Angeles. Passengers also reported cabin electrical issues and disrupted service, sparking safety concerns just days into its return after years in storage. Aircraft background. The incident involved Qantas' final Airbus A380, registration VHOQC, named Paul McGuinness, a 17-year-old super jumbo that had been in long-term storage for nearly 6 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Extensive maintenance before returning to service, the plane underwent over 7 months of heavy maintenance in Abu Dhabi, including a full cabin refresh and more than 100,000 hours of work, the largest maintenance check in Qantas' 105-year history. Proud return announcement. Qantas publicly celebrated the A380's reactivation in a press release on December 5, 2025, highlighting it as a milestone for boosting capacity on high-demand routes like Sydney to Los Angeles and Dallas. First passenger flight. On December 7, 2025, the aircraft operated its inaugural revenue flight post-storage as QF11 from Sydney, SYD, to Los Angeles, LAX, a 13 to 15-hour trans-Pacific journey. Cabin issues during flight. Passengers reported multiple in-flight problems, including electrical malfunctions causing many in-flight entertainment screens to fail, seats not reclining properly, lighting issues, and reports of overflowing toilets. Wing damage discovered near the end of the flight. Passengers, including TV presenter Lynn Gilmartin, noticed visible damage to the left wing slat, described as a chunk snapping off or peeling, creating a hole-like appearance. Safe landing. Despite the issues, the flight landed normally and without incident at LAX around 8:23 p.m. local time on December 7. Qantas emphasized that flight controls and safety were never compromised. Immediate grounding. Post-landing inspections confirmed slat damage, a known occasional issue on A380's, linked to recent airworthiness directives. The aircraft was grounded in Los Angeles, forcing cancellation of the return flight QF12. Passenger compensation and response. Qantas compensated affected passengers with frequent flyer points or flight credits for the entertainment disruption. They arranged alternative flights for those impacted by the cancellation and flew in a replacement slat from Dubai. Latest update. As of late December 2025, the A380 remained grounded in LAX nearly 2 weeks after the incident, with limited public updates on its exact return date. Qantas described the events as embarrassing but unrelated to safety risks, attributing challenges to reactivating a complex aircraft after prolonged storage. No fleet-wide issues were identified, and the plane was expected back in service soon amid high holiday demand. This incident highlighted reactivation difficulties for stored A380's industry-wide, but did not involve any injuries or major safety threats. Qantas continues to rely on its 10 A380's for premium long-haul routes. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.